today we're gonna make the Davy Jones's locker. It's his locker. Arr. All right.
That's where dead people are at the bottom of the sea. Do you want to see what this drink's gonna look like? Watch.
That's how you know we've been drinking.
Spoiler alert! It's right in front of you.
Spoiler alert.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derrick are going to make... I don't even know what we're doing. Oh, this is called Davy Jones's...
locker.
Davy Jones's locker. Because it's an S with another S.
It's his locker.
Jones's.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's his locker.
This was submitted by Jon Spikes. He found it on punchdrink.com. Hey, was there... No, it's earlier. And it's made by Brad Farran. There's some history, I think, below. Not really much, but... Oh, it's actually there.
He was a bartender.
It's based on the Beastie Boys song from...
He was a bartender. He made drinks.
It's a reference line from...
We're going to try
just
it.
giving up at this point.
Ryan...
Yeah, it's a mess.
It's a reference line from Ryan and Stealing from the License to Ill album. And it has...
That's the Beastie Boys.
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
I like the Beastie Boys.
You just spray yourself. Ketchup. The recipe is going to be 2 ounces of... I still can't get out of my face the picture of him just spraying himself with grapefruit juice.
You just sprayed yourself with grapefruit juice?
Yeah. 2 ounces
like that,
of Jamaican Gold rum, 1/4 ounce of Fernet Branca, 1 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice, a 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup, 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, lime wedge garnish. We're not doing that. So, maybe it's called Davy Jones Locker, where the pirates and all those things die, because it's got this dark
Yes.
black
Because it looks like the
Fernet
bottom of the sea.
Branca.
Did you get it? Yeah, water.
What happened?
Huh?
What is he doing?
He's trying to open the
Oh.
never used.
you want me to do that for you?
Cinnamon sugar.
Oh, it's going to snap it.
Dude,
Did it
you
work?
got it. You just wanted to prove me wrong.
I did
Oh, he did
I
get
didn't
it.
think I got it, but I did.
I was going to breathe on it
This is
for you.
during the holiday season.
Yeah.
Okay, that just happened. So, shake the ingredients together with ice. Strain into a chilled Lincoln Nora glass, garnish with a lime wedge. Boom, done.
Done.
And that's you've got the story
Done?
behind it.
Boom.
I just saw the submission. Apparently, everybody in this room thinks we've done this before.
It just sounded familiar.
Yeah, it
No,
sounds
it's-
familiar.
But now the ingredients, there's no way you guys have done this.
No,
I don't know.
I searched the channel
Really?
for the word Davy, Jones, and Locker.
All separate or together?
All separate.
I swear I thought we've done it
That's
before.
called
Doesn't it
due
sound
diligence,
familiar?
and I accept that.
And it was submitted like not that long ago, I think. Oh, our executive producer is Peggy Perry.
This thing might be too.
She's a
It
YouTube
does.
member.
Because it's gunmetal.
Feeling it's
The gunmetal. So you have two
Professional.
options. You click the join button, or you go buy our gunmetal shaker kit.
Or you could do both.
Dude. Because that's only like $4.99. And then you take the rest of your money and you buy
Yeah.
this gunmetal shaker kit. It comes with the jigger, the 2 tins,
Do you
the
think that's what the
professional
bottom of the
spoon, and the
ocean looks like?
I
professional
don't know. It smells good.
strainer.
It's probably what a rotted dead body looks like. Color-wise.
Oh, no.
Doesn't smell like that though. If it did, I'd be.
Yeah,
really
that was a morbid take on.
He'd be eating those
Cocktail.
dead bodies if they smelled like that. It looks cool. It looks
I'd
like
be
a
nomming up them
it looks like a
bottles.
white beer, like a what do they call the white beer? Weiss? I don't know.
Heffenweiser?
Effenweiser.
Yeah.
Yeah, like unfiltered, like a wheat.
It tastes like a tiki drink.
Well, yeah, I mean, look at the stuff in it.
That's
How
true.
about the Fernet? Do you get the Fernet?
No,
Really?
I'm waiting. It's
A
got a lot of
yeah,
cinnamon. Cinnamon. There's a little potency at the end.
I can smell the Fernet.
Yeah, like Fernet's should give you that eucalyptus flavor.
Yeah, but
I'm
the
not-
cinnamon could take over.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean they probably intertwine pretty well together. They're both
Yeah.
kind of like that herbal essence.
It's really herbal at the
Is
end.
it eucalyptus?
Yeah, it's interesting.
It's definitely like herbal at the
So-
end, but it's
Yeah, I get the
good.
eucalyptus.
It's actually really good.
If you're and this was invented by bartender. Bartenders love this stuff.
It's a
Huh?
little bit dry. It's a little bit bitter. You can get that in the taste.
Can you?
Yeah, the Fernet you definitely get.
Yeah, especially the aftertaste.
Yeah, that and the cinnamon kind of like mixed together, and it kind
Oh.
of that's like what's left.
Is that flavor?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like
It
a
is that
cold.
flavor. Take a swig of the bottle and you tell me.
That's curd.
Just
Curd
smell
loves
it.
that
You'll
stuff.
know.
Oh Jesus Christ! This is like I rub this on my chest.
Yes. And then you lick it off.
generally.
Were you doing the slippery nipple video earlier? Like the literal. He sends me the weirdest gifts.
Yeah. I saw it. I was like, oh, I used this one on Dan yesterday. This is
Oh
perfect
yeah,
timing.
you sent it. I was like, you sent that to me.
Now Dan's all upset. You're sending that to other people.
Don't worry, I got secondhand.
Well, I
I'm your
needed.
sloppy seconds on the gift. It's okay.
I didn't want to say, don't forget tonight we're doing a live stream at 7:30. I thought it would be funnier to do I was typing drinks, and which is what I was looking for you, and I was like, oh, I got to use it again. It's still funny. So I clicked on it again. And I don't know. It's that guy from what's it? That's what's his face?
Black?
No, it's
The guy from the
Hangover
drunk show, the drunk movie.
The Hangover.
Hangover.
Oh, is that Galifianakis?
Is that
Yeah.
Galifianakis holding and having his nipple drink?
Yeah,
You thought I had it open, didn't you?
it would have been funnier.
This is really,
Potent?
Yes.
yeah. But in case you didn't know, that is not.
Which is why you only add a quarter ounce of it.
Yeah. This is what bartenders drink after hours, apparently. Every bartender I've ever met is always like, oh, we got to do shots of Fernet after. Why is that a thing?
It's a palate cleanser.
It is.
Well, it's because they
Yeah,
drank all
Fernet.
that stuff.
I think-
and they-
I
think-
like it. It's good.
I think some bartenders
bitter
do it
stuff.
because other bartenders do it and they want to be part of that club.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
But I don't know because I'm not a bartender. I just own one.
Well, I think after a while, after you've
bartender.
drank everything,
Yeah.
you go through your sweet phase,
Sweet.
then you go through your
Oh,
I'm starting to get into bitter.
Yeah.
It's like beers, right?
That's a
I never
maturity
get into
thing.
the bitter face.
But-
She doesn't. I like bitter.
You're starting to get there, though. There's a couple bitter drinks
I
you
actually
drink.
made a bitter drink the other day.
That's true. You did.
Because you start to get into, where they're dry, they're bitter,
This shows your maturity of the cocktail
It's
category.
the same thing with beers. You start getting into, your IPAs, as things start getting bitter. And
If you can get past Budweiser and into into a hopped beer, just any hop.
So I'm over hot beer.
No, but when I
IPAs
think
and everything.
no,
just
I agree
too
with
much.
you. It's too much. But I like
I
hop.
used to like it, but
No.
I love it.
I like
you can have them then.
Double IPA.
no, I like
I know,
hop.
it used to be,
In
big
my beer.
IPA guy.
Yeah, well, those were my initials, so I was kind of going off that thing.
I was kind of going up there.
Hard to argue with that.
Yeah.
No, but
No, I like Coors Light. That's my beer.
Ew,
Fucking,
that's alcoholic beer.
yeah, of
yes,
course
it is.
Um,
That's
That's
brought to you by Midori Sour. My ties.
that's alcoholic beer.
It just tastes like water.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Of course.
Yeah.
yeah, it's like a white.
I need to hydrate.
No, I get
I need
it.
to
But you've
hydrate.
also drink other beer too.
Yeah.
There
I'm
are
not gonna
people who
pound
can't
them
breach that category of adding hops. I'm not saying over hops. I'm
Yeah,
saying
but you
adding
can't,
hops.
pound, IPAs. I mean, I'm sure
No,
some.
That's the
pound.
best part of it.
One, or
You drink one, or two, or three,
Right.
and then you're done.
Can't drink them all day, though.
No.
You drink a double
If you're not going to
IPA
drink all day, what's the point of
has
doing
more
this?
hops because the hops have to
Well,
counteract.
that's why you have to,
I can
mix.
have one,
You drink a couple of this, couple of this, couple of that.
'cause they're
Oh, you're talking about getting drunk.
Yeah. You drink a vodka drink? You drink a tequila drink? You drink a whiskey drink? You drink another
Drink a
drink?
sour drink.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
Somehow
right.
we just got to tub thumping, but whatever. That happens sometimes.
He got a reference.
You got a reference.
He did.
Yeah, it's a '90s hip hop. I get
Date
that.
time. Let's put this on a calendar somewhere.
It's movie quotes I don't get.
Checking it out.
9:50.
Lyrics, I'm good. Music quotes, fine. But movies, I'm out. All right.
Okay.
Make yourself. What are we drinking? Davy's Jones Locker.
Yeah,
Davy
good.
Jones's
That's good.
Locker. I call this a tiki drink. I don't know if it really
I think
is,
it's a tiki
but I
drink.
think if you mix that in with a bunch of standard tiki drinks, people would be like, "Yeah, I get it." It has the right.
Because of the cinnamon.
It's got this. It's got to be
It's
the
good.
cinnamon flavor and
The
the
Fernet's good with the cinnamon.
Fernet
Yeah.
and,
Yeah.
in the rum.
It's well balanced.
Herbaceous.
And the different juices. I don't know. It's good.
Yeah.
That's it. Sidebar, more videos, maybe some tiki cocktails. You can always use Shake It to save, well, always, until July 31st. You can use Shake It to save
Shake It.
20% at awesomedrinks.com to buy
Get your
said
gunmetal.
awesome gunmetal shaker that he used and our bartender starter kit that we have in the little linky below.
Get that one. That he flipped all over the place.
You know what? I think I'm going to sell more just because you did that.
I'll keep doing it then.
Look at that. Look at that fucking flair.
That's flavor.
He learned that from nowhere.
I will buy that. That's it. Or teach you how to drink.